Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics with another just super bitchin' car. I've never had anything like this. It's got a 383 stroker with a 700 R4. It's power steering, power brakes, discs up front. It's got the dealer added air conditioning, the Frigiking, but it's all running off brand new air conditioning, compressor, pump, everything. And then all these other cool things were added. It's got gauges added strategically where they don't harm anything. So over here you've got your airbag. Oh, it's got airbag ride suspension here, and all the controls are down here. Then it's got a separate oil, volt, and water meter down there. The heat works, everything works. The car's insane. It comes with a second set of wheels. You'll see a picture with those wheels. Right now it's just set up to look totally stock. It's an incredible driving car, it really is. And let's take it out. It hauls ass, it handles great, and it's definitely one of a kind. Right now it's got 31,551 miles on it. Original, I'm told. It's amazing. Just hauls ass, and it's really relaxing to drive because it handles so well and it's so well built. The suspension's great, the steering, the brakes, everything does what it's supposed to do. But it just looks like it's a total sleeper, man. You just don't know with the stock wheels and the white walls on it. It just looks like a regular old, well, not regular because it is a Nomad, but you know, just looks stock. More information, check out my website over at Left Coast Classics, and you can check us out on Facebook as well. We're up on Twitter, Instagram. We have a really hopping great YouTube channel if you're not on it already. Actually, I think thousands of videos, if not hundreds, and millions and millions of views up there. Also, you can check me out on Wheeler Dealers. I'm on season 11 episode 8, season 15 episode 8. And give me a call if you got any questions about this cool Nomad wagon. All right, we're gonna take a look underneath the 60 Nomad Restomod. You can see it's beautiful. It's got a nice 10-bolt rear end. Great floors. The exhaust is a Dynamax dual system. Got front disc brakes and your airbags there. And there. Airbag system. Ride right bags. It's got beautiful inner rockers. No signs of any degradation in the undercarriage. It's just really, really solid, as would be expected with the real miles. Just overall amazing shape, beautifully set up, quality all the way. Probably the most drivable 60 Chevy wagon in the world.